A severe thunderstorm was located near Ulm, or 8 miles south of DeVal's Bluff, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarendon, Holly Grove, St. Charles, Ulm, Rowe, Palmer, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Blackton, Aberdeen, Slovak, Monroe, Casco, Crockett's Bluff, Ragtown, Indian Bay, Pine City, Lawrenceville, Duncan, Crossroads in Monroe County, Louisiana Purchase State Park. County in southeastern Arkansas until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Richardson, or 16 miles southwest of Stuttgart, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gould, Gillette, Douglas, Richardson, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Langford, Bayou Meadow State Game Area, Lodge Corner, Ray Dell, Sarasa, Cornerstone, Tickner. An hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dyess Air Force Base around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wiley and Tyre around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Potosi and Dudley around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Holly around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gila around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Canby around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Abilene and Clyde around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Legion around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Impact, Lake Ford Phantom Hill, US 283 near the Callahan-Shackelford County line and Kirby Lake. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 276 and 310. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Simpson County in south-central Kentucky, western Allen County in south-central Kentucky, southwestern Warren County in south-central Kentucky, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Portland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scottsville, Woodburn, Allen Springs, Blackjack, West Fork, Clare, Geddes, Settle, McElroy Ford, and Raleigh Ford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Christ intercedes on our behalf. He's praying for us. Remember what he told Peter in Luke 22? Satan hath desired to have
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fentress County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Jamestown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jamestown and Allard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northern Fentress County in Middle Tennessee until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Jamestown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Fentress County, including the following locations: Allard. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and...
Once again, a tornado warning has been issued for a second time here in Fentress County, this time for northern Fentress County until 6:15. The severe thunderstorm...
Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dumas, Gould, Gillette, Mitchellville, Watson, Yinkupin, Langford, Douglas, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Marisac Lake, Truss-and-Holder Wildlife Management Area, Arkansas, Post, Pendleton, Tickner, Reedville, Morgan Point Recreation Area, Ray Dell, Sarasa, Pickens and Dushay County, Bayou Meadow State Game Area. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Hill, or 7 miles south of Nashville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Gallatin, Lebanon, Nashville, Hendersonville, Brentwood, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belmead, Lakewood, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Bellevue, Antioch, Melinda City, Old Hickory and Berry Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 196 and 248. Interstate 65 between mile markers 68 and 88. Interstate 24 between mile markers 47 and 63. Interstate 840 between mile markers 67 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conway, Morrilton, Perryville, Valonia, Mayflower, Worcester, Apello, Enola, Menifee, Perry, Houston, Sequoia Park, Pickles Gap, Spring Hill, Toad Suck, Plumerville, Holland, Bigelow, Hamlet, Saltillo. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fentress County in Middle Tennessee until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles south of Jamestown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Allard, Grimsley, and Clark Range. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What we would call in tactics, the X, right? You always want to get off the X where the enemy's concentrating their fire. And see, the thing about an invasion by water...
Operation Stormwatch on WBAP. This is Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center. A severe thunderstorm warning is being issued for Parker County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP.
That region. Your website, your business profile, even your social accounts. A couple of
the National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over J.P. Coleman State Park, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waterloo, Riverton, and Wright. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Colbert, and Lauderdale.
Who guarantees to sell your home, or he's going to buy it. Call the team I recommend, Chris Waters and Waters International Realty, 214-689-6646, or ChristopherWaters.com, Christopher Waters with 2 T's.com.
If you're over the age of 30 and you feel tired, irritable, have trouble sleeping and focusing, have a low libido, and trouble performing, you're not alone.
425. Interstate 20 between mile markers 450 and 470. Interstate 45 between mile markers 277 and 282. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
That helps, but does very little for your stamina issue. Or maybe you didn't like the side effects.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, southwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pecan Acres, or near Briar, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Flower Mound, Haltom City, Keller, Watauga, Saginaw, White Settlement, Azle, Trophy Club, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Eagle Mountain, Briar, Roanoke, Pecan Acres, Westworth Village, Blue Mound, Northlake, and Pelican Bay. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 53 and 72. Interstate 30 between mile markers 2 and 13. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.